Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nandini Sharma and in this session I continue the part 6 C programming lecture. So let's get started. Now come to the question number 19. Here the line of code is given like this and the main function given as int x equal to 6 if x minus 6 print welcome and print x else print learner and get ch. Now what is the output of the given program? So here we see that in this given the handling of the if statement not allowed in C. Yes, because in the after the if statement we can't, and here is not using of curly braces and not enclosing of the curly braces. As for the else statement, here is not enclosing and closing the curly braces. So when we execute this line of code we get error. So answer of this question is error because it is printed if else loop statement. Now come to the next question number 20. Firstly start with void function. Here float equal to 3.14 and print percentile f c percentile 2. So here percentile is define your modulo operation, and we know that in the floating case we can't be used modulo operation, so it is give your compile time error. Now come to the 21st question. Here line of code is given like has included studio.h int initializer return 50 and the main function is given like static int I equal to initializer print value of I equal to percentile d I get care return 0 output. What is the output of the given program? So firstly we know that the static variable can only be initialized using the constant literal, but here I is not using the method or auto identifier, so output of this program is error. Now the question number 22. So in the question number 22 the line of code is given as has included studio.h int mean type def static int pointer I and int j is terminated. Here ia is equal to address of j, print the pointer a value and get care and return output 0. Now here we get that here type def static variable is using of the initialized value, means any variable of I cannot be defined here in the storage class at the same time, and here variable I is already declared. So due to of this it is gives compile time error, and output of obviously of this program is compile time error. Now another solution of this program is that the output is a compile time error because multiple storage classes for A in C. Type def is considered as the storage class. The error message may be different on the different compilers. Now come to the next question, that is your question number 23. Here line of code is given like int main type def int ia equal to 0 print the value of a get care return 0. So here output of this program is 0. Why? There is no problem with programs. It is simply create a user defined type I and create a variable a the type of I. So The output of this program is 0. Now come to the next question. Has included story.h int main, int first equal to 50, second equal to 60 and third. So here third equal to first. Giving the line of code, will this comment work? Question mark plus second. Print the value percentile and this question mark in the comments less and third. So get care and return the value. So what will be the output of this program? So output of this program is 1 slash asterisk and this question mark asterisk forward slash. Why? Because compile remove everything between the comment if they are not present inside the double quotes, but in the printf statement it is inside the double quotes. So here the output is 110 as the comment percentile asterisk and this question mark asterisk forward slash. Now come to the next question, question number 25. So in the question number 25, int main, int x, y equal to 5, z equal to 5, x equal to y, y equal to z. Here using of the ternary conditions, print the value of x, get care, return the value. Now what will be the output of this program? So output will be of this program is going to working, but firstly we know about the precedent and associative of the operators. So here x equal to y and y equal to z. So firstly the greater precedence is equal to operator as compared to assignment operator, which is already discussed in the fifth session of the important points of the gate purpose. So firstly we compile and this statement y equal to z, then what will be output you have to get, that is compared to and assigned to the value of x. So basis of this the solution of this program is x equal to 5 equal to 5. Yes, here y equal to 5 and z equal to 5 means this is condition going to true. Then when the condition is going to true, then it is assigned 1. So here x equal to 1. So output is here 1. Now more explanation and more understanding, the operator equal to is executed before assignment because precedence of the comparison operator is higher than the assignment operator. The result of the comparison operator is either 0 or 1 based on the comparison record. Since y is equal to z, value of the expression y equal to z become 1 and the value of assigned x 1 as the assignment operator. Now come to the next question. Question number 26. A line of code is given like that. It is a basis of the memory leakage problem. So it is most important questions. Here int main, int pointer p equal to int pointer malloc size of the integer. Now p equal to null free p and closed the curly braces. So the free can be called for the null pointer. So no problem with the free function call. The problem is memory leakage. P is allocated some memory with which is not freed but assigned to the null operator. The correct sequence should be follows. Firstly we free the pointer, then assign the null, then we got not face the memory leakage problem. But here duty of just opposing and converting this problem, so we got memory leakage problem. So output of this program is memory leakage problem. Now come to the next question, question number 27. So here in the question number 27, the line of code is given as void main int I equal to 10, static int x equal to I, and if x equal to I, print the equal, else if less than, else print greater than. So what will be the output of this program? So output of this program is compile time error. Why? Because we know that static variable and static is not initialized with other variables. It is contains only the constant values. So due to of this, here I is not equal to method or auto. So it is gives the compile time error. So more clarification come to the answer of this question. Here x is a static variable and I is the auto variable. Auto variable are runtime entities compared to static, which are load time entities. Static variable cannot be initialized to auto variable since it only be initialized to the constant variable. Now come to the next question, question number 28. Here line of code is given here and using the structure. So come to the main function. Here structure sample as and print the value of the percentile D, percentile C, percentile F, S, B, C, and what will be the output of this program? So output of this program is error. Why? We come to the solution of this program. That is, when we specify the structure, here structure is sample and here is the main problem and main error. We know that structure can't declare and initialize sometimes. So due to of this reason, the output is error. Now come to the next question. Question number 29. The line of code is given as int main int x equal to 3. If x equal to 2, then x equal to 0. If x equal to 3, then x plus plus, else x plus equal to 2, print the value of x and return 0. So what will be the output of this program? Now come to the solution of this program. Here x equal to 3, if x equal to 2, so here we found that x equal to 2 if it is not satisfied the condition, but in the other hand if x equal to 3, so it is satisfied the condition but which is false. Now we directly come to the else condition. Here we compute the value of the x equal to x plus 2 means x plus 2, and we know that the value of the x is initialized as 0. So here output of the program is 2 and the value of the x is 2. Now come to the next question, question number 30. Has include studio.h int main int arg character pointer arg arm int result equal to argument v 2 and argv 4 plus argv 6, print the result and return 0. So what is the output of this program? So output of this program is error, because here argv2 is the string, is not used any operator. In these short notes and important points, we declare that string is not used any pointer, and error is because here argv2 and 4 6 are string type. We can't perform arithmetic operation without converting string into the integer type, because here it is a declared character. Now come to the next question, Question number 31. Here line of code is given as int main int ptr pointer ptr is equal to null, print the value of the x ptr, return 0. What is the value of this and what will output of this line of code? So output of this program is given here is 0. Why? Because here pointer is equal to null, and we know that ptr null is a pointer which is assigned a integer value, that is here ptr equal to 0, and the output of the program is 0. Now come to the next question, that is question number 32. Here line of code is given as, and program is given like for loop 1 terminate 2 terminate 3 print hello. So what is the output of this program? So output of this program is infinity loop. Why? Because infinity loop as a second expression is non-zero, means it is your 2. Hence the condition is always true and it is executed more and infinity number of times. Now come to the next question. Question number 33. Has include studio.h int main int a equal to 10 b equal to 2 int pointer pa equal to address of a and pb equal to address of b, print the value of here given expression like that. What is the output of this program? So output of this program is error. Why? Because we see here the percentile and star is assumed as the comment as according to the compiler. So due to of this it gives the error message. Unexpected end of the file found in the comment. The compiler is treated the operator slash and asterisk as comment that happen to be the starting of the comment. To fix the error, we use either this space between operator or like this pointer pa divide in the parenthesis pointer pb. So error is going to be removed, but due to of this type of the expression we can't be, and compiler can't be understand and it gives the error message. Now come to the next question. Question number 34. Here line of code is given like that. Int main register int I x, scan the value of address of I x equal to plus plus I plus 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 I plus 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 I, print the value of x and return the output of this program. So what will be the output of the program? Firstly we analyze what is the right expression and right declaration of the any variable. We know that register is garbage value, containing the garbage value. Why? Because in the C register will store in the CPU, it is don't store in RAM. So register variable is not have any memory address, so it is illegal to write address of A and address of I. So due to of this we get compiler time error. Now come to the next question. Question number 35. Here line of code is given like this, and starting from the main function, here we found only the output of this program. So output of this program is compile time error. Why? Firstly we see that here the value of x equal to 5. If x is greater than equal to 10, it is never be going to satisfied, because here the value of x is equal to 5. So how it can be going to satisfy? So come to the solution of this for more clarification. It will be give compiled error because when there is only one statement in the if clause, then curly braces are not required. But if there are more than one statement, then we must enclose with curly braces. There are not giving curly braces like this, like this, like this, like this. Therefore, we get compile time error with message error without previous if. It is problem of handling if statement which is not allowed in C program. Now come to the next question, question number 36, and this is the last question of this session. Has include studio.h int main int I equal to 1 2 3, print the value of I, gets here and return 0. So what will be the output of this program? So output of this program is 1. How? Our program print 1. Associative of the comma operator is from left to right, but operator have higher precision than comma operator. So due to of this reason, the value of I is going to be 1. This session is end here. I hope you understand all the programs as well as questions. If you have any query, any problem, so please comment me. Thank you for watching.